Good day guys, and welcome to my channel from any part of the world where you're watching from. If you're watching this video, it's very important to me and I appreciate this very much. Today I want to share a hack with you. Something very simple, but some people might know it, some people might not know it, but I just want to share it with you because I tried it and it worked for me. I've got this envelope here. Envelopes are very popular. They're like, how much does an envelope cost? But it comes to a time when you need something very important, and let's say you've gotten an important document in an envelope and you want to unseal that envelope. You don't want to spoil the envelope in the process. It's very easy for you to replace the envelope, right? But it depends on the particular envelope you are talking about here. What if it's an important document from a school, from your workplace, somewhere that is very important which you cannot replace? You need to unseal that envelope if it's been sealed and put it back. The secret to doing this is placing that envelope in the fridge for 1 hour. The seal will easily come off. You get whatever you want to from the envelope, put it back. Let's say you did an assignment and you had sealed it, or something and you had sealed it and you forgot something else that you were supposed to put inside the envelope and you have no way of replacing that particular one. Envelopes are very cheap, but at the same time it can be very expensive if it is just one particular very important document you are working with which you cannot replace. At that point you'll be wondering what to do. In tearing it, you can discard it and it will look very rough and you can't present it like that. So the common thing you can do, or the simple thing you can do, is just put the envelope in the fridge for 1 hour. This helps to release the glue on the side of this envelope parts very neatly. You just lift it, replace whatever you want to replace it with, or whatever you want to just do, put it, and you can seal it back and it looks good as new. This is a hack that I tried because I'm saying this because it was very important to me. You can imagine this is an envelope I can easily replace, right? But there are some more important documents that you can't even just toy with. It has to do with like your work, your life, like in quotes and all that, and you just don't want to make mistakes with it. So just place it in the cool area in your fridge and you see that it will just come off easily and you reseal it back. As simple as that. If you have the time, if you have 1 hour to spare, please just do that instead of like tearing at the envelope and you'll be wondering how to replace it. So this is one hack that I recently learned and I thought to share with you guys. I hope it was important to you because I really found it like so useful when I discovered it, and I was like, oh, why didn't I ever think of something like this before? Please don't keep this information to yourself. There might be someone out there, no matter how silly it might look or minute it might look, someone might need this bit of information. So please just share this information because you don't know who you might be helping with this. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. I hope to see you next time. Just stay beautiful. Bye.